Welcome. As automated finishing machines become more popular in the digital print sector, we have for the first time introduced support for one of those machines, in this case the Duplo 616. If you have another automated finishing machine that can read a barcode or registration mark, please contact us and we may be able to add support for your machine also. As an aside, you may note that in the background I have used the PDF toolbox to create a blank PDF, and I will now use the variable data module to add a simple image to that PDF, in this case the Pyxis logo. I will then use this business card size PDF as the basis for this automated finishing tutorial. So I will now open this 85 by 55 PDF in the Pyxis imposed main window. Note that I have enabled standard marks and I will set the bleed area to 3.5 millimeters. That will be 3.5 millimeters on each side of the artwork. Before continuing, I should point out that this Duplo 616 can scan both a barcode and a registration mark. In the case of the barcode, it can be used to detect a predefined setting, while the registration mark will enable the unit to allow for image shift during the printing process. So users can now generate, save and apply popular settings via Pyxis imposed. So when these printed sheets are placed in the Duplo, it will read the barcode and apply the correct finishing settings. These settings are created and applied via the Auto Finishing tab in the top right hand corner of the application user interface. After choosing an option, note the text switches to a green color, finishing barcode on. And as you can see, our simple imposed job shows the barcode and registration mark in the top right hand corner. This is a high quality vector code 39 barcode as required by the machine. Note that you can set up an unlimited number of barcode settings, but the same registration mark will be used throughout. To edit existing settings or create a new one, click the Job Identity Barcode Settings button as shown. This opens the settings view, where you can select and edit an existing setting or you can create a new one. So when you have your settings entered and fine-tuned, it is then simply a matter of selecting the relevant setting for the job in question. Note that it is possible to apply a 180-degree rotation to the imposition. As this rotates the artwork, it can make it easier to read the text on any job as it has been finished and stacked by the Duplo machine. I should point out here that Pyxis has no connection whatsoever with Duplo. We are simply adding this functionality based on user requests. And for those who may not have such a machine, here is a small clip from a YouTube video showing business cards being finished. And shortly you will note a barcode being read by the Duplo scanner. Note the red light near the top center of this image. After reading the barcode, you will note the Duplo automatically adjusts itself for the job in question. And if the registration mark is present and the Duplo notes any image shift, the finishing will automatically adjust to compensate for the image shift during the printing process. And when creating your finishing setting in Pyxis imposed, use the job number shown here in the top left of the Duplo controller application as the barcode number in Pyxis imposed. In this case, the relevant number is 44. This section of the video shows the barcode scanner in action more clearly. So after reading the finishing number from the barcode, the machine adjusts to that job. So for any other users out there who have finishing machines that can also read barcodes and perhaps registration marks, I invite you to contact support to check out if we can add finishing options for your machine too. Before concluding, I should also point out that you can correctly stack numbered jobs by using a combination of finishing settings. For this demonstration, I will create a simple numbered ticket. Note that it might be a good idea to use the relevant Duplo number as part of the job name. While in this case I have just called it number job, it would have been a better idea to name it 7 space number job. It's worth pointing out that unlike finishing with a guillotine where we need to stack the numbers, in this case we need to print everything in reverse, both the sheets and the numbers. So the first sheet out through the finishing machine will be the highest number and therefore stacked on the bottom of each relevant pile. So in this video I've explained how you can add both a barcode and a registration mark to facilitate fast finishing via an automated finishing machine, in this case the Duplo 616. For more information I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on explorepyxis.com. Thank you.